What's going on, YouTube? And we're finna be back with another video. You know what I'm saying? We got the cats outside. Gonna go ahead and start the cats up. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, so wait a minute. Where they pull you over at?
We got bad kitty right here. Don't play with her. never seen it? I've never seen it in person either.
Oh, they crazy. Oh, no.
I don't know why y'all getting so close to the fire. Wait!
Fire pit. Nigga, why you in the midnight? I give a fuck.
And he's running. That's crazy.
Oh, God. Almost died.
Oh, epic comeback video!
Let's get the fuck on. Oh, that's his partner.
Faggot ass cops sit there and say, oh, it's just sort of kind of loud and public.
Man, he don't need proof.
What time is it right now?
Right now it's 1 o'clock.
Okay,
On
so
a Friday night.
and what road is this? This is Mableton Parkway.
Yes.
So yeah, cars during the daytime, a lot of cars come through, whatever. Yes, but
I'm just
as
saying.
I was crossing the street, I did what every 4-year-old
You
learns
could,
to
yeah.
look both ways. I got into the center lane
Mhm.
and I attempted to come to him. That's all I did. And from there, that was when he started yelling. That's why I stopped. So then I was a pedestrian in the roadway standing because he told me to stop. Then I crossed the street. I could have been in the middle lane and across the street in 3
He
seconds.
could have walked up to him and said, hey,
Nobody
can you
gets run
please
over by
just
a
go
car.
back over there?
But like I said, when it comes down to it, every single person that was out here outside of the very first officer I spoke to needs to really get an understanding that you got some people that don't give a fuck out here. And when they made the Glock 17 that everyone in DeKalb County has issued, they didn't stop making them. When they made the Glock that I have and all the other weapons I have, they didn't stop making them. You got people that do not care about a police life out here.
Exactly.
Plenty of people. So when it comes down to it, what can you do as an officer here to help better the image, especially within Cobb? Because I'm telling you, I've been in Atlanta 31 years, and I know very well people around all over the place say that Cobb County is known for having cocksucker officers. That's just it. That's why a lot of people don't like dealing with police, sadly, because you got, and I know the vast majority of cops aren't doing just out here doing BS to people, but you got the few cops that feel as if they're bigger and badder than somebody because you're in a uniform. That means nothing. Because if somebody wants to take your life, that uniform won't mean nothing at all. We are all human beings. You bleed just like I do. So when it comes down to it, like I said, that sergeant, whatever, what's his name?
Sergeant Condrey.
Sergeant Condrey.
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 He needs to go back through a class of dealing with the public. Regardless of what happened there, am I right or wrong? When you go through the academy, what do they tell you? You got to be able to be up 10 and on level 10 and then bring it back down. So that's no excuse at all. That's just it. So regardless of what he just dealt with, as a professional law enforcement officer, he needs to make sure that when he comes back to deal with a situation with the public, he needs to pump his brakes. Because you never know what's going on. It could be somebody saying, hey, officer, that guy that has a gun pointed at you, about to blow your damn brains out. But you running your mouth and talking crazy, and you lose your life when this citizen was trying to help you. And it can very well be somebody like me, if somebody's trying to disarm you and kick your ass, that can come help you from this dude killing you.
So yeah, this is the end of the night. It's 1:49 a.m. Gotta take that shit in. Too much shit happened today. Pray for everybody. Hope everybody got home, made it safe. You know, good cat. You know, a little something slight. I'm ready to get my shit though. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get me a cat because the way I've been handling this whole night. What you think?
You did your thing.
Facts. On God, I need to get mine. I'm ready to slide my own shit. I'm ready to wrap my own shit. I'm ready to get my own shop. I'm finna be doing a whole bunch of shit. But I can't say, everything. But I appreciate the love and support.